Linear equations. As you see from the word linear, it means it is representing something that is showing a straight line. That is showing a straight line. Straight line means linear. And an equation which represents a straight line is called a linear equation. An equation that represents a straight line is called a linear equation. Now, a linear equation is that where the power of the variable, you see there are two things, constants and variables. So if you write x terms in x, that is a variable. Y, u, v, p, q, these are all variables. Because their values you don't know, and you can solve these values with the help of a linear equation. So these are variables. And their constant numbers, say 5, minus 12, 17, 13 by 2. These are all what? Constants. Their values are fixed. So whenever there is a linear equation, you have to solve these linear equations. So let us suppose that this is a linear equation. Ax plus b is equal to 0. This is a linear equation. Now here you see x is a variable. This x is a variable. And a and b, these are called constants. These are called constants. The values are fixed. Now whenever there is a linear equation, suppose you write a linear equation like this way: 3x plus 7 is equal to 14. This part of the linear equation and this part, a linear equation, there's equal sign and there's something written on the left and something written on the right. Left hand side, this is called as left hand. So this is called as LHS and this is called as RHS. So you see LHS and RHS, and LHS is always equal to RHS. So this is called a linear equation. This is the frame of a linear equation, that whatever lies on left, that is left hand side, whatever lies on right, that is right hand side. To solve a linear equation, we do transposing. Word transposing means we used to transfer the constants on the right hand side and the variables on the left hand side. Suppose there was one more term here, suppose it was 2x. So you will transfer 2x on this side from right hand side to left hand side, and constant from left hand side to right hand side. So constant will be taken to right hand side and variables will be brought to left hand side. Whenever you do transposing, the sign changes. That means if the term is positive, when 7 is transposed, suppose 7 is here, and when the 7 is transposed, so I told you that when you write on the left hand side, there is only variable terms you will write on variable you will write on the left hand side, and constants when you will write on constant you will write on right hand side. So what I am doing here, I am transposing this constant is 7. So 7 I am transposing that side. So when I transpose this 7 that side, here it is positive sign. When it goes that side, it will become negative. So from when it goes to right hand side, it will be negative. 2x is here having positive sign. When it comes here, it will become negative. So this is called as transposing. Now if you have to solve this equation, so what you will do, you see here, first thing is 3x. 3x is not transposed. So you will write 3x as it is. But you see 2x is transposed, so its sign is positive. When it comes this side, it will be negative, minus 2x. And this is 14 and this is 7. 7 is having positive sign. When it is transposed, 14 is not transposed. So 14 will be as it is, and 7 when it goes that side, it will become minus 7. So 14 minus 7 is equal to 7. 3x minus 2x is equal to x. The solution is x is equal to 7. This is the solution of this linear equation. So whenever you have to solve a linear equation, always remember the variables should be brought on the left hand side and constants will be brought on the right hand side. Now let's start with the exercise. Here you see exercise linear equations. See, question here, it says 6.1, question number 1a. 6.1 exercise, question 1a. The question says 5x minus 13 is equal to 2x plus 8. 5x minus 13 is equal to 2x plus 8. As I told you, the variables to be bought on left hand side and the constants to be bought on right hand side. So here you see 2x will be transposed this side and 13 will be transposed that side. So when these are transposed, so their signs will change. So it will become 5x. 2x goes that side, so here this positive sign. That means when it goes that side, the other side it will be changed to minus. 13 here is negative, it goes other side, so it will become plus 13. Minus here, it goes this side, it becomes positive. 5x minus 2x, that is 3x. At other side, that is equal to 21. X is equal to 21 upon 3. So x is equal to 21 by 3 is 7. So x is equal to 7. Okay. Now see question number 1, C part. C part says 7 within brackets x plus 3. 7 within brackets x plus 3 is equal to 5 within brackets 2x minus 3. 5 within brackets 2x minus 3. So here you see, you have to open these brackets. 7 multiplied by x, that is equal to 7x. Plus 7 into 3 is 21. Other side you see 5 to the 10x and 5 to the 15. Sign will be negative. So 7 multiplied by x 7x, 7 multiplied by 3 21, 5 multiplied by 2 10x and 5 to the 15. These are two variable terms, and these are two constant terms. Constants to be bought on right hand side, variables on left hand side. So you see 7x minus 10x, 10x positive sign transpose other sides, that becomes negative. Here minus 15, 21 transpose that side, so it will become minus 21. You see here both are negative, 6 36 minus 36, and here you see you will get minus 3x. X is equal to minus 36 upon minus 3, minus minus cancel, 3 cancel here 12 times. So answer x is equal to 12. This you are getting here. This is the solution for this question 1c. You see one more question here, 1j. J, here it says 6 upon 3x minus bracket 3 minus 4x bracket closed is equal to 3 by 2. 6 upon 3x minus bracket x minus 4x is equal to 3 by 2. This is a question here. So here you see, first of all, you open this bracket in the denominator, 6 upon 3x minus 3 minus minus plus 4x, that is equal to 3 by 2. So here you see 3 ones are 3 and 3 to the 6. So you will get 2 upon 4 plus 3 7x minus 3 is equal to 1 by 2. Now you will do cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means this multiplied by this and this multiplied by this. This is called cross multiplication. So you see 7x minus 3 multiplied by 1. And here you see 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. And 1, same thing it will be, 7x minus 3. Minus 3 transpose that side. So 7x is equal to 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is nothing but 7. 7x is equal to 7. And x is equal to 7 upon 7, that is equal to 1. The solution is x is equal to 1. So you see, in these questions you have to simplify by transposing and cross multiplying. If the question is in fractional form, then you have to cross multiply and find the values of x and y. Okay.